Milk and banana, two different entities. Milk is loaded with proteins, vitamins and minerals like riboflavin, calcium and vitamin B12. Per 100 grams of milk contains 42 calories. However, the old saying of milk being a complete meal does not stand true, as it lacks vital vitamins, vitamin C, dietary fiber and very less carbohydrate. Since we are a vegetarian nation, we struggle to complete our protein requirement on a daily basis, and milk can majorly help you in this regard. Banana, on the other hand, is enriched with vitamin B6, manganese, vitamin C, dietary fiber, potassium, and biotin. Every 100 grams of this sweet fruit contains 89 calories, hence heavy on the stomach, which makes us feel fuller for a longer time and charges our lost energy. High in carbohydrates, bananas are often considered a great pre- and post-workout snack. What happens when these two come together? While the combination of milk and banana may seem like the ideal one, with the two making up for each other's nutrient deficits, milk doesn't have dietary fiber, which banana has. The two don't do the same when they enter our body together. Disturbs digestion. According to studies, consuming banana and milk together not only disturbs our digestive system as it is heavy, but also disrupts our sinus. This leads sinus congestion, cold and cough, and other allergies like rashes on the body. Therefore, while many believe that consuming the two together may sort out our digestive problems, it would rather lead to vomiting and loose motions in the long run. According to Ayurveda, other than this, Ayurveda has also mentioned that this theory of combining a food and liquid article together is not the greatest idea. According to the Ayurvedic theory, banana and milk together can lead to toxification in the body, which will disturb the various bodily functions that take place. Along with this, Ayurveda further states that banana and milk together can cause severe heaviness in the body and also slow our brain activity. The solution: the best way to consume banana and milk is separately. If you wish to consume this as a pre-workout or post-workout snack, then eat the banana after 20 minutes of consuming milk. Or you can add banana to your yogurt recipes if you really wish to consume it with a dairy product.